Sorry, I forgot to start that one. Okay, so in our Secura File Explorer, what we have added the option in my C drive or whatever the drive you have, you will see that, and the folder which you want to add for the teledata security. What you need to do, you just need to select that folder. For example, this soft data folder I want to add for the, this is the folder contains the teledata, and I want to add for the auto backup as well as secure mode. So what we need to do, we need to just click on three dots and we can add as a tally mode. Now it will add in the tally mode. So whatever the data is there in this folder will get encrypted. Second thing, it will automatically sync with our cloud server. Let me show you that also. So it will take some time, depends on the size of the folder size, means file size. And so now you can see this Secura Cloud. Okay, so you can see the Secura Cloud, and here, whatever the data I'm syncing in my to my cloud server, it will show here. Let me show you. So in the C drive, you will see in the user folder. Now you will see the different folder now, where the data will be available now. All the tally data will be available on the cloud server. Somebody's question? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Yes.
Is anybody has a question? Okay. So now what will happen when I click on the 9 dots, when I click on the tally now you can see there are multiple folders will be available here from where I need to start my tally now. So for example, I want to start with this private data folder. I need to select that and I need to just start. And now it will start my tally application. Just my tally data is getting processed. Let me finish this. Everybody can hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clearly.
Yeah. Good, good. Yeah. And what we have done here, and for the multi-user environment also, let it be finished that. Till that time, I will show you the multi-user environment, how we are securing the data folder now for the multi-user. So in the multi-users, we provide the admin panel, secure admin panel. So this is our secure admin panel. Now, what we have done here in secure admin panel, we have provided option in the master settings, configure tally mode for the multi-user. So what we have done, what I've done here, I can add now my company-wise folders here. So for example, in my computer, so in my in my networks, because generally in the multi-user, we add the data in the network, right? So this is my network folder. And where I can create the multiple company folders, like let me create one folder like test company 1, test company 1, and same way I will create test company 2 folder. So this 2 folder I am going to create now. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just copying some data here in test company 1, public data and private data. If I want to, I can copy paste some data here. And suppose I just want to keep the public data only. So test company 2, I will copy some public data folder data here. Okay. So what we are doing here in the Secura, now I just want to add my company data, paste company one, and I can set here public directory, private directory path, and what we are providing option here that username and password when we configure the Secura platform for your client side, we create the folder username and password. That password you need to enter here. So for example, this is the public path. So I'm just for the company one, just hold on. Let me go to my company one, and I'm just copying this private data path. And I'm just private data path I'm setting up here. In the same way, I will set the public data path, and I will enter the public data path here. This is my network path. And to access this path, what I've done, I've just created one user. Let me tell administrator, and I'm entering the password. Okay, so this is the path I set now. So this folder, I'll add it right now for the security. Now I will create another folder, test company 2 folder, data folder. And let me set the test company 2 data path. Here I've just added the public data only because I don't want that. I don't want to create any private user for private data for you. And I'm just entering the password here. Okay. Now what we have done here, so we have allowed you to add multiple folders like this. So we have created one Senda group, two Senda group different company user. We have also created Senda office group. Okay. Now in the employee management, what we have provided the option right now as a user one. When I click on the user one, when I go to the configure tally mode, what I can do, I can select which company data I want to allow him to access. So for example, this user, I want to allow company one data only. Okay. And I can save this. So now this folder is assigned to this user one. And if I want to assign another user, different company folder, I can click on the plus button. Now when I let me allow assigning Senda office BMate fund. And this one I will add now. So